Hi guys, how are you? My name is Lisa Chi from Manchester in UK, and I'm very excited to be here today. That I'm creating a thing called the Responsible Life, and what it's about is it's creating a 28-day healthy eating plan where I'm going to show you step by step how to create those breakfast, lunch, dinners within 30 minutes and not breaking the bank as well. End of the day, who wants to, slave over the kitchen for hours? I certainly don't. And obviously, if you're quite busy with your family, time is very precious, and I totally appreciate that. So, the reason why I want to do this healthy eating plan is because I've seen the benefits of eating healthily. I believe in the transformation of eating well. End of the day, they say the body is the temple, and I believe that whatever you consume into the body, it will impact not just your health, but your mental well-being, your skin, how you feel, and also your relationships. Hey everyone, welcome to day 2 of the Healthy Eating Challenge. How are you doing today? Any cravings?